Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my Facebook page. This is Travel Discoveries Corner. So today's video is I gonna share with you what happened to my Facebook account a few days ago. So I got violations that I never know what kind of violations because I check also my account if I have restrictions or violations, but nothing. It was started only last July 19. So it takes for 1 week, guys. So last July 19, I was watching a video and then I was commenting and reacting, and then that was consecutively, guys, that I never stop. Just comment, watch, comment, and react. It takes 30 minutes, I guess. After that, guys, I cannot comments anymore. I can react, but I cannot comments. And then it shows there every time that I type my comment, it shows that it will appear if I'm online. So here it is, guys, the example. I try to comment, I type my comment, and then when I press the comment now, so this is the one it appears. I said, what? Why that happened? Because I didn't have any violations also. So I said maybe tomorrow it will be fine. And then every day I was trying and trying, I was watching the videos and then try to comment. Still the same, guys, I cannot comment, but I can react. So still it's not good because how could I engage to my co-creators if I cannot comment, right? So that was it takes for 1 week, guys. On July 25, I was watching a video of some creator also, and then he was talking about how to remove the violation. I said to myself, it's better to report my problem also, because I said, why like this? I never do anything. I remember only as I was watching, commenting, and reactions. So I did, guys, is I went to the settings and then I went to report a problem, and then I typed my problem. I explained. I said I cannot comment, and I was telling them that if they can help me to fix my problem, because I said my engagement is already affected. And then I say thank you, and then after that I include the screenshot of my Facebook account and also the problem. I take a screenshot also, and I include the link of my Facebook account. And then after that, guys, I send it, and then I was waiting. I said maybe tomorrow will be okay now. So when I wake up the next morning, I check it, but still the same when I comment. So I said, oh, maybe still they didn't check it. And then I try again in the afternoon, guys, and I can comment now. So it's thanks God, because Facebook team, they helped me to fix my problem. So it means, guys, that if you are watching a video and commenting and reactions, you should to give a gap. Okay, not consecutive that you didn't stop it, because it's a problem also. You will be in spasm. So this is awareness to new creators, the same like me, that guys, if you are making a comments and reactions, especially comments, you need to watch the video until finish, and then that's the time you will comment, and then wait for at least 10 minutes or 15 minutes and then comments again. Okay, because if you didn't stop, you will have a spasm problem, the same with me. So that's only I share this to have an awareness that commenting and reactions there is limitations also. So that's only yeah, because it happens to me. So I don't want that it will be happens to you guys, because you didn't know anything, because they never send an email or notifications what is the mistakes that you did, or violations. Yeah, so that's it only, guys. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to follow, like, and share. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.